Welcome back, people. Hello, Mr. AP here. So, in this video tutorial, we are going to complete the process of the order now, right? So, once the order now is clicked, we shall see the uh, the name of the pizza being ordered, the number of times that pizza button or the buy button for that pizza is clicked, and of course the total amount. Okay, so for example, if the buy button for the gluten-free pizza is clicked 3 times, so that's 3 times 34, that shall be printed in the price column, right? So let's start with printing the quantity. Okay, so again, where is the number of times the button is clicked? I mean the counter. Remember, we declared several counters. Here they are. So they are in this class. The name of this class is Pizza Product Panel. But luckily we have declared that in here. So this class, the Order Now panel, where the Order Now button is located, is connected with this class. So in other words, they can communicate with each other. So once we click the button Order Now, this class can access the number of times the buy button for a particular pizza type is clicked because of this counter, remember? So thankfully we have connected these two classes. Yeah, so if the button now is clicked, I want to know how many times the gluten-free pizza buy button is clicked. So I can print the value of the counter, which is CTR gluten. That's the name of the counter we used. Okay, there you go. But it is underlined because even though these two classes are connected, still they are different classes. So we have to tell Java where this variable is actually declared, and it's declared in this class, Pizza Product Panel, and that class we called it pizza in the Order Now panel. So I'm going to use the variable name pizza. So it means that we are telling Java that, hey Java, this variable is in this class. We called it pizza, and that pizza is of data type Pizza Products Panel. So Java knows now that this counter is in Pizza Products Panel class. Okay, let's see. Let's run it. Let's see if when I click the order, I'm gonna click the buy button maybe 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So that was 3 times, yeah? So when I click order now, we shall see 3 here. Here, I use system out print. So yeah, that's correct. So 3 is up here. I mean, in this console display, in the console. So I mean, we can access the values of our variables from this Pizza Products Panel class, from this Order Now panel class. But again, we don't want to display the output in the console. We want to display the output in here in the JText area. But where is the JText area? The JText area is in this class, Order Information Panel. But remember, we connected this with this class. Remember, we declared this variable info, and the data type is Order Information Panel. So in other words, these two classes are also connected. So instead of printing the value of the counter gluten, I'm gonna print it in JText area. And what is the name of the JText area we declared in this class? The name is text area order info. Wow, what a long name. So that's what I'm gonna use to write, to display the value of the counter, okay, the gluten counter. But again, it is underlined. So what shall we do? We have to tell Java where this is. This is in the class called Order Information Panel, right? Here it is. And the name of that in this class is info. So we need to use the name of that class, which is info, so that Java would know where that is. But it's still underlined, because what should we do with this text JText area? We need to append a text, right? So that we shall see the value of the counter gluten. So again, I'm going to display the CTR, the value of CTR gluten, which is in pizza class, which is in pizza products panel, and the name of that is pizza. So we have to specify that here, so Java would know when that is. Okay, so wait a minute, there is an error here. Create type CTR gluten. So CTR gluten is an integer. So go back here. See, it's integer. And we have to convert these integer to string, because append only accepts integer. So the value inside the parentheses of append method must be a string. And unfortunately, the value of this is integer. So we need to convert integer to string. So the method that we need to use to convert integer to string is integer dot, there is toString here. Okay, so I have to use this method toString, so that the value of CTR gluten, which is integer, shall be converted to a string. So the underline now is gone. Okay, are you ready to see the output? Let's see if the number of times we click the buy button is printed in the JText area, not in the console anymore. Okay, let's run it. So I'm going to click gluten-free pizza buy button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I click order now, we shall see 5 somewhere in the JText area. Are you ready to find out if it's correct? If everything we did is correct? Okay, let's do it. Click the order now. There you go. Do you see the 5 right here? Okay, so we need to organize our text. Okay, but yes, so far so good. It works, right? So this part here that we just did works. So when we click the button so many times, no matter how many times we click the button, we see the number of times here, which is the quantity. So the only thing we need here is to organize, to arrange the text. Okay, it should be in the right position. It should be in the right place in the JText area, and we will do that in the next video. Okay, we will continue this in the next video, so see you. Bye-bye for now.